Immediately I saw the notification that ads will no longer be playing on my video again. I was like, God, I've been demonetized. And it was a terrible experience for me being monetized. And all of a sudden, YouTube sent me a notification that I have been demonetized. It was hell for me. I felt heartbroken. I didn't know what to do. I felt so devastated. The energy to post dropped. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edith Francis. Today is the first time of coming across this channel. Welcome to this channel. In this channel, we do products review on skincare and weight gain. Alright guys, today I'm going to be sharing my story with you, why I got demonetized, how I got demonetized, or why I got demonetized as a small YouTuber. There is a big, huge sadness when you get that notification that ads will no longer be shown on your video. Do you know what that means? That means you have been demonetized. You will not get paid for any views you have on your video. And this was my experience. Yes, this was the experience I had. If you go to my channel, you'll notice that there was a period of time I did not post. I was only just posting shorts on my channel, so my channel will not just look neglected, so YouTube won't feel that I have neglected the channel. Okay, I got demonetized as a small YouTuber because of these reasons I'm going to be sharing with you. So as a small YouTuber out there, you should take note of this so you won't experience the same thing I experienced. Now, this is it. We all know that monetization criteria is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And so I hit my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour under 9 months. I was 9 months old on YouTube when I hit my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Okay, and on the 10th month I got monetized, just like ending of the month, and I got monetized. All right, I was happy. The joy filled my heart that yes, I'm now monetized. And you all know when you get to $10, you have to be verified. Okay, so I got to $10, I got verified, and I was super excited that I got verified. And I thought that was all. Okay, I thought that was all. I didn't know that there would be any other thing to do on, or I didn't know there would be any other thing to do. I only thought you just need to be verified. Okay, you just need to be verified, like identity verification. So after I did my identity verification, I just relaxed and I continued with my stuff, posting and all of that. Only for me to visit my AdSense account one day, okay, and I noticed there's another verification, which is address verification. I didn't know about that, and I saw the place. I added my address, and I waited for the pin, okay, which the pin never came. And because I didn't have full knowledge about it, that you will be given the space of 4 months to get verified, for you to be verified, okay, 4 good months. I didn't know about that, okay. I know a lot of people out there don't know about this. Please, guys, pardon the noise. This is why I don't like filming in this area, because of the noise. I don't like, because my neighbors downstairs, the noise is really much. Okay, there's no electricity, no NEPA light, and the other room where I do use is not really as bright as it's supposed to. That's why I'm here. Please, guys, pardon the noise. So I didn't know I will be having 4 months to get verified, okay, for my address to be verified. I applied for the PIN the first time. I waited for it. I did not see it. After 3 weeks, I did not see it. But I didn't have even a lot of knowledge that I was supposed to reapply again, because you have just 4 chances, okay? So when I got the knowledge that I was supposed to reapply, it was already more than 3 weeks. Okay, so I reapplied again. And finally, my 4 months elapsed, and I have only applied for this pin 3 times. And I got a notification that ads will no longer play on my video, meaning I was demonetized. I felt so frustrated. I felt so devastated. I felt bad. Okay, I felt bad. This is the pin I've applied. I changed the address from my location. I used my sister's address in Lagos. If it will get there quickly, it didn't still come. I applied for it twice. with my sister's address. It didn't still come. So I thought of, okay, what should I do? I had to reapply again for the fourth time after I have been demonetized, because it was already 4 months. After I was demonetized, I had to reapply again. But this time, when I reapplied, I didn't use my house address. I used the post office address. I used a post office address. So when you get to this point and you want to apply, don't use your house address. Use a post office address. Any post office that is close to you, use that address. Okay, don't use your house address, because that pin will never come to your house address. That's the truth. It will never come. So I reapplied for the fourth time. Then I was already demonetized with a post office address. That was what I did. And by then I was already frustrated, okay? I didn't even have the zeal to post. I was only just posting short because the zeal to post died. I just neglected the channel like that. I was posting just short. There are other ways to get verified, okay, even without the pin, okay, which is troubleshooting method. I tried the troubleshooting method, but where I was supposed to get the form wasn't displaying, okay. I got confused. What's going on? This is where everybody do use like troubleshooting method. Why is mine? Why is the form not coming up? Only for me to discover, because I have applied for the pin 3 times. I have not applied for the pin 4 times. So I said, okay, let me just wait. So on a very good day, I had a call from my big sis that the pin has arrived. God, I jumped out for joy. You need to see me that day. I started dancing without music. Like, have you ever heard of this? When your pastor say, this season you will dance without the music. That was what happened to me. I was dancing without the music. I was so happy. And because she's in Lagos, I can't ask her to reveal the pin. I had to tell her she should break the seal and snap the pin. So that was how I got the pin, and I put the pin and I got verified. Up to it won't even take up to a minute. Once you just input the pin, you just get verified. It's as fast as that. Immediately I got verified, I started dancing again. I got very excited. My joy came back in full. Okay, and you know what? 4 days later, I got a call from the post office in my location here that my pin has arrived. Guys, can you believe it? Now, get this. This pin has spent more than 4 months, because my address was the first address I put when I applied for the pin. And you have 4 months, okay? 4 months to verify it. So I was already demonetized. So it means more than 4 months. The pin came after 5 good months. Guys, my pin came after 5 months, and I was called that my pin has arrived, because I went to the post office. I dropped my number that when it arrived, they should call me. And they called, and I was like, really? After frustrating me, after making me almost lose my peace, this pin has finally arrived. But okay, I went to the post office. I got the pin, though I just got it for getting it sake, as per this pin that suffered me, this pin that made me almost have sleepless nights. I must collect. So I went to the post office and voila, yeah, voila, this is it. Yes, this is the pin. This is what it looks like, and that was how I got monetized back. So guys, please don't make the same mistake I made as a small YouTuber. Know it, after your identity verification, you will still need to be verified, okay? Your location needs to be verified. YouTube does this so they will believe that you're not a robot, you're a human being operating this account, you're a human being they are going to be paying, okay? It's a human being they are going to be paying, not a robot, all right? So that's why YouTube do this, all right? And it can be very frustrating, because most of the times you won't get the pin easily, all right? So that is how I got monetized back. Thank you very much for staying tuned till now. If you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, click on your bell notification so you can get notified whenever we drop a new video. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.